Kubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jela Conrad ke Sangma ulap lipat ba ya ke web portal lani kerensan wat benia Jong ke Meghalaya State Public Services Delivery Commission ha kasni tok dieng ke khat santri unaitung ar hajar ar puar. Conrad Sangma uloong bakani kerensan Jong ke Meghalaya Right to Public Services Act kan pendapat penbiang shibun na kabentaban kentiu ya kajing pentrekam na kawe kajaka sya kawe pat ling ba kikor kibor da ka sorkar. Shushu ulayaro ya kajing persyang hadu kabakut Jong ke Meghalaya State Public Services Delivery Commission haringkat ke NIC Meghalaya nakabenta banwan ra ya kajing UI jengay.
If you were to compare this website to a large number of websites run by other state governments, you will be able to see that this is one of the better ones, if not the best. Maybe one of the top few websites in the country that provide detailed services in the way we have shown today, and also having this hearing which is happening online. So definitely this is one of the more advanced websites, and I must thank NIC and the entire team for having done that. I think what is the way forward, as was mentioned, is to ensure that the additional 188 services, which will bring it to 275 total, should be done at the earliest. That would really be the way forward. And to ensure that these entire services, all the departments must ensure that these timelines are followed at the block level, at the DC level, at the departmental level, so that there is no delay. Because you could see in the websites, this is basically only a kind of a point platform through which they will finally connect to the concerned departments. So when they click on that particular service, it is diverted or directed to the departmental or the specific deputy commissioner's office, and therefore these kind of things, the departments obviously will have to ensure that they also do their part well, and that's really where the challenge also will lie. And I know that it's not as simple in the transformation stage, because there will be a lot of skilling to be done, capacity building is to be done at the grassroots level. So yes, there could be challenges, but if the departments, and especially the districts, they all work together, then we will be able to take this forward in the right direction and be able to provide seamless and efficient services to the people, and provide it in the stipulated time as per the Act of the Meghalaya Right to Public Service Act that we have. Another important aspect which I strongly feel should be incorporated in this entire thing is some kind of an ID system. And I was just asking our Chief Commissioner, and he mentioned that they are already working on it. There are some legal hurdles to it which have to be seen, whether we will link it with the Aadhaar card or the election ID card, or to create a new ID. Because every time a person logs in, they're logging in with their mobile number and their email address. So that will change, and that does not specifically give the identity of the person. So it would make much more sense if we can link it to Aadhaar or to election ID, or create a new ID also. That is also one option. But of course, I understand that we have to see all the legal implications and complications in that, and take the decision accordingly. But as I said, that is one thing which I strongly feel will take the entire, will give a more structure, better structure to the entire process of delivering services, because then we'll be able to identify each individual in a much more accurate